How is fault determined in a car accident in Alberta? Let's ask Calgary lawyer Steve Grover for an Ask the Lawyers quick question.
Who's at fault for the accident? First of all, how did the accident occur? Are there witnesses to prove that the other party was at fault for the accidents? The circumstances of how the crash occurred. If it's a T-bone accident, it's a rear-end accident. But fault is determined on a number of factors of what the police report. Obviously, you've retained a firm like ourselves, and we handle the case. We get investigators out right away to determine, taking pictures of the scene, talking to witnesses, seeing if the other driver was charged and convicted of a traffic violation. So, but if someone's 50-50 at fault, there's a contributory negligence act where, in a day, if you're 50% at fault, you get 50% of your damages for your compensation for the injuries and losses you suffered in the crash.